This 2026 Gulf Stream Conquest 6320D is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features a Mink interior, sleeps 6, oven, microwave, LP detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, TV, spare tire kit, Skylight, external shower, and 29 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2026 Gulf Stream Conquest 6320D is built on a E350 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.